In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, and here click on Backup My Data. So unless it is active, just tap here to turn it on. Now you need to add your backup account. Just mark backup account here and select Add Account. So if you have some existing account stored in your device's memory, just tap on Existing and it will be applied. As you can see, I do not have mine, so I need to provide details right here. So first of all, email address, and then the password. So just let me do it off the screen. And as soon as the password is entered, just tap on Next. Or Done actually. Click on OK then. Wait a couple of seconds. Go to the next page, and that's it. As you can see, it has been added. So from now on, your data is safe. It's protected by Google. So that would be all. This is how you can activate Google Backup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.